I think it was almost as bad as 72 flood.
Cleanup from Debby continues in Southern Steuben County. With the first day of school just weeks away, Jasper-Troupsburg School was declared a disaster.
The main concern is we need a school. We need a school for our children in the town. Education, it should be top priority for these kids.
Cleanup and rebuilding will be run as an emergency project. ServPro from Broome County surveyed damage and is directing cleanup efforts expected to last the next few weeks. Architects LaBella Associates and general contractors Campus Construction are directing the rebuilding efforts.
We can do the best we can with top quality because we do care, but as far as getting up to date things that could make things better for them, it's just not there.
Amy teaches life skills at the school. Until the project is over, classes will continue to be held at the old Canisteo Greenwood School, where JT students have attended since 2021, when Tropical Storm Fred also caused water damage to JT School. Since the building has been flooded twice in the past few years, the school says they're writing a request that FEMA issue a directed relocation for reconstruction. The request will ask for mitigation funding to better protect fields from future flooding. Locals say state and county should also work to clear debris from waterways to prevent future damage to homes and schools.
Creeks is the main thing. I mean, I grew up here. We've never had this issue, and now it seems to be the creeks. They need to be cleaned out.
As the Southwest Steuben County community grapples to clean and rebuild, a reminder to avoid unnecessary travel there as states of emergency are in place still for Canisteo, Jasper, Greenwood, Troupsburg, Woodhull, and Cameron.
Don't go sightseeing because you get in their way.
Many roads are still closed in the area, with half a dozen completely washed out. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News, Jasper.